Okay, right, let's get streaming. Oh shit. Lost trading view. What am I doing? YouTube, live stream. Grab the live stream. Live. Oh, it's scheduled. Oh, never mind. We're live. Perfect. Let me send this out to all the Discords. Bam. Get some free views. Send out. And send. Boom. Right. So, last week, I'm pretty sure I missed one absolute beauty, which was this break retest. I was on the trading floor and doing some stuff, and I didn't even see it. I had an alert set and everything, but I just went straight past me somehow, which was yeah, a bit unfortunate. So this one worked and did 44. I would have went 40 I'm pretty sure, from obviously this break retest, or 35 I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it worked really nicely. Which trades did you guys take last week? How was your last week actually as well? First week of December, remember? So if you did do terrible, then that is completely acceptable. Nothing wrong with that at all. But yeah, I think the next few weeks, if you haven't traded December before, this is just a good time to just go low risk, reduce your risk on all pairs, carry on trading as normal, and just collect the data. If it's your first December, there's no point going super safe. I think it'd be better to actually trade like normal, collect the data, so then next year you know, okay, yeah, December's shit. Just keep the like stats consistent. EATP missed by 2 pips. Was it this one, this break retest? And if so, why did you have that big of a take profit? So you had, what, 50? If you entered at the break retest, you must have had a 50, right? Or did you go even less? Maybe 45. 45, okay, right. I mean, why did you go 45? That's what I would say. Because your only confidence here was like, if you actually look at the break retest, it was what, like this? And then your fib was bang on the level. I don't really see the need to give it that much room. You gave it like 35 room. Which I think is a little bit too much, personally. Like, I was going to go 40 or maybe even 35. Because even if you go 35, you're still giving it like 23 pips room. 40 is a push. But either way, 40 would have hit take profit as well. And on top of that, obviously, if you're looking at take profit and where you want to put your take profit, you got a break retest there. I don't know if you can see it on a daily. I mean, yeah, you can see the wick. But you're targeting past this break retest. And obviously, we're in a fat uptrend right now. I mean, nothing crazy. Well, yeah, I guess we are. Yeah, obviously. And, I mean, you can see we tapped the break retest perfectly and carried on moving. So when you're doing your take profits, when we're in a really fat uptrend, you don't really want your take profit past that break retest. And if you look, if I put 35, I'm pretty sure it was bang on the break retest. So 40 would have been okay. You would have been in the retest. But then going 45, 50, I mean, 45 isn't the worst, I guess. But you're pushing it a little bit. And I know you don't want to do like the 1 EPS and all that shit. So you got to be careful a little bit, because then you're saying, right, okay, I'm going to do a 20 pip take profit if this break retest was like here. But then obviously if it was like this, you wouldn't have went for the trade in the first place, because it would have missed by 20 and did the reaction. So just be mindful of like where your take profit actually is. And we have a big level here. You got that and that. And as you can see, it did exactly that. Came to this level and made the move. And now you've missed out on a beautiful trade. That's an ICT trader. I came in here to see how how to use you as liquidity. Okay, I see how it is. GN with GA alignment. Hit take profit before NFP. Beautiful. GA with GN. Was it the high? Or was it? Oh yeah, it must have been the high. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't a massive fan of this. I wasn't. Yeah, I don't know. Hit break even. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was a tough one. That I'm guessing you entered early, unless you went here and I don't know. But yeah, I wasn't a massive fan. And then last one, oh, didn't journal yet because you gate kept the journal last week. You know what? Next update from now on, Lytix, I'm going to charge for the journal. How about that? I spend my free time, my Saturday nights, working so hard on that journal just to get absolutely flamed. Already paid 2 times. Yeah, I remember when I said that. Yeah, if you server boost, you can have the journal. You server boosted and I didn't give you the journal. I just gave it out for free. That was my bad. You donated to a good cause. That was like $3 or $4 you paid towards a that's my hourly shift, putting work into the journal actually. So yeah. Thank you, Lytix, for donating. I appreciate it, man. Unlike these other ungrateful sons of bitches. Lagging, oh god. Hello. We good? We good? Yes? Okay. I boosted one time. Thank you, Wayfam. Thank you. Well, by the way, I'll make like a subtle announcement right now, okay? But we're basically trying to get a bunch of partners with MCR. I'm gonna put out an announcement soon anyway. But obviously over like the past year, MCR has been a little bit quiet. If you go through some of our peak times, we were doing like 100k messages a month, which is, I don't know how we were doing that to be honest, but we were. Right now we're doing about 10-15k. Obviously I've not really been putting much effort into the Discord as much. I mean, I still have, obviously. I've been showing up to these live streams for the past like 3 years and posting stuff, but nowhere near as much as we were last year. But back on it. And I'm going to get a bunch of partnerships with different prop firms and not brokers, like journaling software and some random shit. If there's any cool like service or, for example, like FX Replay. These guys, these are cool. No, not these. These guys, like a backtesting platform or something cool you can use for a trade-in, let me know and I'll try and get like some sort of partnership with them. And what I want is like a monthly giveaway with all these different things. So like FX Replay could give us like a 1 month account to give away. Obviously prop firms can give us actual challenge accounts. Can't really think of anything else. Notion, I mean, I doubt Notion would give us a partnership. We need mainly like smaller-ish people. One is like these guys, so MTJ. These ones I'm trying to get a partnership with. They're basically like copy trading and all-in-one trading software, which is pretty cool. So I'm trying to get a partnership with them where they give us like free accounts. And then each month we'll do giveaways. And of course, the higher level you are in a Discord, the more entries you get. I'm going to post this in a few days, but like here's... I mean, I'll post it in the little chat, I guess, the voice chat. But this is how many entries you get per level. So, yeah. So the higher level you are, the more entries you get. Obviously, that's fair. And then server booster. So it's kind of like pay to win. But obviously, server boost helps us as well. But yeah, higher level you are, the more entries you get. And we're going to be doing a shit ton of giveaways. So what does ish stand for? It's like kind of not. Like I'm saying, that's a good level ish. It's like, yeah, it's kind of good level. It's kind of not, like, yeah. It's like a bit indecisive. So you can say you're a good ish trader. But it's sort of like sarcasm, to be honest. Taking a piss. Unless you didn't mean to say ish, unless it was LSH. I don't have a clue. Are you talking about trading terminology or are you just talking about ish? Anyway, right. Let's get into some stuff. Last year the server went crazy when we went on a 12-win streak or something. Yeah, I know. We used to have like 50, 60 people in here. We'll get back to that. We'll get back to it. Right, so let's go through some stuff. Euro, Aussie dollar. Broke through that break retest. It worked. Gave like 45-ish pips. Start with the best pair. Which pair? Go on. Which pair do you want me to start with? Gold 1 hour. You can fuck right off. I'll start on gold, but I'm not going gold 1 hour. Gold daily, I'm not really bothered about. I'm more looking at the 4 hour. We have quite a few levels, and these are the only levels I'm kind of looking at right now. We have this one, which obviously has no fib. I don't think any of these have any fibs as well, so they're sort of just solo standing levels. Yep, so looking for literally time and alignment, break a previous level for these. So for example, this one, I guess you have the psych just above. So this one, I will take if we see a break of that one. So if we have a strong move in, break of this level, then yeah, sure, I'll go for that one. And then obviously this can be the backup. Or if we have timing, then yeah, sure. Or if we have alignment with like DXY or silver, then yeah, again, sure. To do your level waveform, I think it's !rank. Yes. I think the problem is we no longer do those 2-hour journal streams during live trading. People, what? The 2-hour journal streams during live trading? I'm so confused what you mean. Isn't it like live trading streams type thing where I'm actually taking the trades live? Bad joke, I guess. Oh, right. Yeah, thanks for that, Surgical. I appreciate it, mate. I see. You just want me to blabber on about the journal. You know what it is? You're jealous of my journal. That's what it is. You're jealous of my journal. You wish you could have a journal this cool for your strategy. Yeah, that's right. All this in Google Sheets. Look at the amount of stats on that. I could talk about this for hours. Yeah. Still not finished. Hard to hide the journal jealousy. That's what I thought. Anyway, yeah. Time and alignment on these. Don't know what we're going to see on gold this week, to be honest. December is a bit of a weird one for obviously the markets in general. Plus we have a bunch of shit happening. I saw that Trump just announced some dude for head of AI and crypto. And crypto is extremely bullish because of it. I'm pretty sure. I think crypto had that push. Don't know. May have been lying. I don't know when it was actually announced, to be fair. But again, crypto right now is also controlling currencies a little bit. When we're seeing these big pushes to 100k and shit, that is having an effect on the USD as well. I'm so jealous that I don't get to spend every Saturday night on Google Sheets. Yeah, I bet you are. Bet you're so jealous. So jealous. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. You should try it. Little takeaway. Stick a film on, and then Google Sheets on the other monitor. And MCR Trading Discord on the other. So yeah, that's gold. I don't really have anything else to say on gold. Euro Aussie dollar, obviously the 50 fib was beautiful. But well, is anyone still going for this? Or do you guys see that as a miss/cancel trade now? Because that was an absolute beauty of a trade. And NFP decided to fuck us over for that one. Cancel. Okay, fair. Yeah, I'm also cancelling that. We missed entry by less than 10, and it's, oh shit, Jesus, it's already done. Missed by entry by 12, and it's already done pretty much 40. Yeah, that's a defo cancel. So that's gone, that level. We can fuck that off now. We do have that level, which obviously is very close to this. We have this one up here. We have the high all the way up there, which I guess, you know what, we can mark it out. Stay over here. And then apart from that, we have a few little break retests. So we have this one, which is the break wasn't the cleanest. This one's much nicer, obviously. But we do have that one, which, yeah, on the 4 hour, it's not very nice, is it? However, we could still line up with a nice fib. We have this fib with 61 and a level up here, which is 40 wide, but I guess it is a big zone. And then you have this, which nothing lines up. So you could draw that most recent fib, which you then have the 50, and I guess the 61. Yeah. So that's what I'd be looking at. The 50 fib, 61 fib. That fib doesn't really line up with anything. Everything's missed. You got the 61, which is pretty wide-ish zone, 34, yeah. So I'd mainly be looking at that. So you got the 50 and the 61. So I will mark that out as a nice trade right there. and then back up as this. So 2 trades. Let me get that a bit higher. Yeah, that's Euro Aussie. So we got buyers in Euro Aussie. Euro NZD. Again, this was a beautiful trade. Alignment with EA. EA tapped into the high. EN tapped into the break retest. And of course, cancel because of NFP. This hit just before NFP. Literally an hour before. Tapped in, did 25, then tapped in at NFP and did the move, which obviously is a very risky one because that hit take profit with NFP, which if you're taking it on a prop firm account, there's a high chance you get an absolutely destroyed. Soft breach, hard breach, whatever. So bit of a risky one to take. But that break retest has worked beautifully and now it is gone. I'm hoping, have we had a retest of these? Oh, it's already retested both. But the daily hasn't. Yeah, I'll keep them there for now. But that's gone. I just have, I mean, you've got that and then you've got the very high. And with these, timing and alignment for both. I don't really want anything else. There's obviously not going to be a fib. Don't think so. Oh shit, okay. Never mind. I stand corrected. So we have the 61 with this. And then you have that level above, which is 45 away. So that could be a potential, but obviously if you're going for this, your stop loss is going to be a bit awkward. Because, let me see. It's not too bad. No, I think that's fine actually. Yeah, I think that's okay. That fib is used. Okay, on to the next one. Thank you, Lightix. It is used. Yep, didn't see that one. Thank you. Saved me. GA. This is one I should have taken, but I didn't, and it worked really nicely. So we had a break of this level, and we tapped into this one. It was a completely valid trade. To be honest, I don't know why I didn't take it. Really don't know why. So I technically missed 2 trades last week. I have been missing quite a few trades. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't take this one, but it worked, an absolute charm, which is a little bit annoying because I would have been 2 up for December. Yeah, 2 up for December. Busy with a journal. Yeah, that one. I'll use that as an excuse, sure. But yeah, no, I don't know. I just didn't think it was the best trade, but now that it's worked, I'm looking back, I'm like, yeah, that was actually, it was okay. It was actually okay because you had to clear break previous level and you had to tap into this, and I feel like Wednesday we also had I mean, it tapped into this on GN, which at 3 AM did a pullback. That one wasn't as nice though. Yeah, so anyway, that worked. We've now broke that. That's gone. Not really looking at that little shitty level. I think that's a little bit too shit for me, so I'm not going to go for that. Do have that break retest, which I'll go for. I think that's a little bit nicer. 100 pips. And then that's it. I don't really see much else. See if that lines up with fib. Fucking bang on with a fib. So we could maybe see that this week if it decides to absolutely dump. I mean, it's definitely possible. You have like this break retest just above, but I don't really like looking at the break and retest of that previous move. I'd only look at the break and retest of moves it's created within this move up. I don't really like looking at these ones like that. Not as much, at least. I'd look at like that. That's fine. But I don't know, the moves within this, I'm not as confident unless they're very, very obvious. Like that. Sure. Oh shit, no, because that is like, that looks fine. I think it's just because these aren't the strongest levels, that's all. But if they're more defined, then yeah, sure, I'd go for them. Yeah, that's why on GA. Don't really have anything else. We do have the high. I don't know if we see any alignment across the board. EA has like 72 until this high and then 100 at that one. And GA has similar, 100. I will go for the GA high if we see alignment on EA. Sure. Does AU have anything? I don't know if I have it on here. Yeah, I do. Oh shit, AU also has the low. Ooh, which is only 40 away, but AU moves pretty damn slow. So I do think we could have that. If AU taps a low and GA taps a high, I'll 100% go for it. Or if EA is at one of those high levels-ish, like this one or this one, then yeah, I'll definitely go for it because it's got obviously driver alignment. We need Aussie strength, USD weakness. So if DXY, probably not going to come to a sell level. And that break retest is done now. I mean, I'll keep the level there, but it's done. That's a new level. Get rid of ATR. I'm not really bothered about that right now. I'll stick that back on tomorrow. So yeah, GA high could be nice. I will set an alert just to see. And then also EA high, I will set another alert. GJ. Okay, so see, I'm not too sure on this now. This break retest. Unless we have a really nice move in. See, this is one thing. Again here, caution level below, need to break. And what have we done? Fucking respected it beautifully. Tapped into it twice and seen a move out of it twice. 130 pip move and 150 pip move. Which is a pain in the ass, really. Yeah, but you didn't use the top level as a confluence. What do you mean, top level as a confluence? Yeah, I'm not too sure what you mean. This one, nice. I like that still. I mean, this 61 is pretty damn big, but it's more just the level and the SMA, to be honest. And if we do break this level, if it goes in now, for me, it's 100% valid. What do you mean by I didn't use the top level as a confluence, though? It's just that both of these levels were within almost, well, 40 pips of each other, and the bottom one has had a big ass reaction. If it has a strong move in and breaks this and goes straight into this level, sure, yeah. But now that we've had a double reaction off of this, if price just slowly climbs into this, then I probably won't go for it. But if we have just one clean straight move into this, then yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Yeah, because we still have the EMA, the 50 fib, the psych level. It does look pretty nice. UJ doesn't really look to have anything. You've got obviously this, which is the SMA. I don't think we have a fib here. Not really, unless you want to... Is that the fib? Oh shit. No, that's not the fib. That's the fib. Yeah, so you don't really have anything there. It's the 61, which is this, and then you have this with the SMA, which is also nice. I do like that. So yeah, we'll see on the move in. But dependent on the move in, we could have this, which could obviously be tomorrow. So I guess we will see. GN broke the high. Currently, it's done a move and then gone back through and pissed about. And yeah, I mean, broke that level. We do now have this break retest, which is what, 100 pips, which if we do hold out up here and we push a little bit higher and then come for the retest, sure. But if it retests in the next candle, I will not be going for it. I want it to like wick off and then come back down and see a retest, which I don't even know if we have any confidences for. Probably, I mean, that is fair, but to be honest, I think I'd like... See, that's a pain in the ass because nothing really lines up there. It's 20 pips away. Welcome, JJ. Welcome. But the 50 fib does look nice. That is valid, but I really want to go for that break retest, that continuation. We'll see. Hopefully it breaks a tiny bit higher. It could tap into this high and align with like GA and EA. With these highs, EA high, GA high, then we see GN tap into the high, and then we can see that 38 fib. That could be nice. That is my prediction. Well, my hopeful prediction, because then I get an extra trade. But for now, only the 50 fib is the nice trade for me. Unless you want to go aggressive and go for like that break retest, which not a massive fan. We could have alignment. Oh yeah, shit. Or timing. GN, what do we have on EN? EN is a little bit messy right now. You have obviously this as well. So you have this, this, and this. So to me, I wouldn't really use EN for anything. So GN, do we have anything on? Nope. NU, let me quickly check. NZD USD has the low, 30 pips away, which means NZD strength, which means fucking nothing for GN. Great. We need NZD weakness, not strength. I didn't even check for a sell level, to be fair. I just looked at that buy level. Yeah, no. Nothing strong enough there. So yeah, bit of a shitter for this one. Unless we have timing, obviously. 4 p.m. timing, then yeah, that could be nice. With London close. Try and catch a reversal and a session. GU, pain in the bastard. 23 pips, missed the first confluence by 9 pips, and it's already done 80. Fucking beautiful trade that as well. Are you guys counting that as a miss, or is anyone still going for that? That would have been like something like that. Obviously, you could have entered first confluence if you wanted to. Some people enter first confluence, but for break retest, I go like at the level. But yeah, it's missed that SMA by 7-ish pips, less than 10 anyway, and it's done, getting close to 100. So for me, that's a cancel. And now for the sells, fuck all. Like, we've got absolutely nothing until all the way up here. So now I'm looking at the buys, which I'd say that, which we could have a fib. Yep. Oh, ooh la la. How many pips is that though? 300. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. So we do have the 61 buy on a GU, which is kind of against the trend. However, we have had a nice little break of this high, so we could have a bit of change in trend right now. So we need DXY sells, which could also align, because we've had similar here. We could have that. We've done the exact same. We broke structure, maybe a change in trend now. So if DXY continues to push for this, we could also see that align with GU. I think that looks like a similar distance. I think so. So yeah, we'll see. Alignment needed with that, maybe. Yeah, I agree. Depends on market conditions, especially if we're going against the trend. It's a bit of a dangerous one, but yeah, DXY alignment, perfect. And gold. Wait, actually, let me check for a backup level. Oh, you don't really have anything. It's just low, isn't it? So I'll just wait for that. And then yeah, gold, I'm not really looking at the daily, to be honest, because there isn't much on the daily. We're still trying to break out this stupid range that's been sat in. I'm just waiting for a break of one of these, and then yeah, go for it. So to be honest, we have the range. All I'm waiting for is a break of this and take the next level. So break of this, go for that one. Nice arrow. That is meant to be an arrow, by the way. And a break of this one and go for one of these. It completely depends on what we have at the time. Do we have alignment, timing? There's some, well, there isn't really much else, is there? But I think this is, I don't know, this one's a little bit too close. But if we did see a break of that, tap into this, with the psych level at 2.6, I think that's doable. Break of 1, break of 2, tap into the third with psych. That could be nice. And then you have the backup here anyway, which covers both of these levels. So you have your backup trade at this one. And if it breaks this one, then yeah, I don't know what. So I think I will take that one actually, because you got to break through these two first. And what do we need for that? We need USD weakness again. So everything's leading on USD weakness, which we've got to tap into this, which I don't think is going to align with that gold 4 hour. It could do actually. So that's what I'm waiting for on gold, at least. Just a break of one of these levels, please, to try and catch that next outer level. yeah, DXY, we have a few levels. Break retest worked beautifully with the GU break retest last week, which is a fucking pain. Beautiful alignment with DXY, but DXY tapped and GU made the move. Let me actually see the exact timing. It was NFP. Ah, shit, it was NFP. 1:30. Let's see what time GU reacted. Bang on 1:30. Perfect alignment. But they both tapped at NFP. Which, yeah, is a no-go. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. I'm not going to really look through any of these. Silver. Oh, shit, that ended up working. Even though, obviously, the fib was already... when do you start trading S&P? I don't. I just have it here for alignment. Same with silver. I don't trade silver. I just have it here for alignment with gold. Yeah, the fib, we still have the 50 and the 61. So these are two potential levels for nice little gold setups. And then if you go to the 4 hour, we have two more levels, which is this one. And we also have that one again for gold alignment. And I guess you have this potentially, which obviously is a shit level at the minute, but yeah. So that's about it. And I guess obviously we could look for alignment with these levels and the gold little levels. I'll quickly run through these just because these are other... I haven't even attempted to do any backtesting on these yet. Once the journal's fully finished... Oh yeah, for people who weren't here a few minutes ago, well, half an hour ago, someone has been helping me with the journal to do some coding shit, because I don't know if you guys saw in the update of the journal, I added this thing down here, which, let me just zoom in. This will be really quick, I promise. Journal talk, journal talk. You guys love journal talk. So this can basically work out the average move of each news. So you put in the currency of the news, it changes it to obviously the Aussie dollar high impact news. You enter D high impact news. But let's go for an example I've actually written down, GDP. So pound GDP, you can select the currency and it'll tell you the average move it'll do. This is obviously average. It's completely dependent on like the forecast and the actual. So obviously if we look at like, so let me get an example. So one that isn't the same. Okay, so here the previous was 2.7. The forecast is 2.6. So that data can come out. If it comes out as 2.6, then yeah, well done. But if this comes out as like 2.2, and it's a big difference, it's called deviance between the forecast and the actual, then it's going to have a higher impact on that currency. So the bigger the deviance or variance, whatever you want to call it, I'm pretty sure they're the same thing, the higher the impact. But on average, this is what this is, just an average. So you have a very rough average. This is what it does on a 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, 12 hour. So then obviously if you're looking for a trade that is 50 pips away, but you're like, oh shit, pound GDP is coming out in like half an hour. Am I still good to hold this pending? We can go, right, okay, the average move it does is 9 pips. Oh shit, so it doesn't do anything then. It's pretty fine. Apart from the extreme cases where obviously the variance is very big. So that's the main thing you can use this for. And to do this, you have to input all the data yourself because I can't do that. But someone's helped out with a bit of coding and yeah, it's looking good. Basically, they've managed to basically get everything. And they've used like some Forex API and Forex News API and and we're going to have all of 2024, 2023, 22 and 21 and I think 2020 for every single currency and every single high impact. So you can see all the previous forecast and actual and all the effects, which is pretty cool. So hopefully that should be with you guys soon. COVID results. True. I can just get rid of the 2020 then. True. So just get rid of all of 2020. Yeah. Okay, yeah. When you try... Wow, okay. Trade. I'm not going to even mention that name. Wow, Lytix, you joined in sides there, mate. Joined a cult. Pound CAD. I don't think there's much nice for pound CAD. Any of you guys trading pairs that aren't on these... Oh shit, you can't even see that. Let me move my fat ass face. Any of you guys trading pairs that aren't on these top ones? Any of these? Trading AU 200, yeah. I'll have a look at that. Just pound CAD. That's it. Okay. GCAD. Do you have anything on GCAD? No trades on it. Okay, fair enough. Did you not get this break retest? Oh, I guess it missed. By 21. UJ for alignment. Yeah, I'm tempted to actually trade UJ. Well, I'm not. I basically limited myself. I'm not allowed to actually trade any of these pairs until I've done like all of 2023. Like back testing, maybe even more, all of 2024 as well, to be honest. So once I've done a shit ton of back testing for each one, then I can potentially add it. But most of these I'm not going to add, to be honest. These are just ones that I know that other guys trade. UJ, I think I will add, because I've already seen decent results on that. And it has, by the looks of it, a lot of really nice setups. It's very similar to GJ. And when GJ is doing shit, UJ is doing well. When UJ is doing shit, GJ is doing well. So it's a good, like a little counter. It's nice. Because like the past like few weeks, all of this price action on UJ has been like, there's not been a single trade. Well, there has been like one or two, but nothing much. Whereas GJ has been providing a fair decent amount of trades. The amount of levels produced in this, and then levels here, and then levels here. There's been levels everywhere, and then levels here. It creates really nice little levels. Obviously, because it moves so fast, all these little micro levels are actually valid compared to the average, like, fucking GCAD. You can't really look at these tiny little levels and take them. I mean, you can, but yeah. Yeah, I don't really see anything on there. AU, obviously the low. Don't really see anything on there. Use, yeah, no. AN, this was one I kind of wanted to take, but I'm pretty sure it missed. Yeah. Missed the actual break retest by 3 pips and did 37, which don't know if it would have hit take profit or not. Would I have put 35 pips? I doubt it. Oh shit, yeah. Oh fucking hell, that's 40 pips a lot. Oh yeah, no, that would have hit take profit. If I would have caught entry, obviously. 40 pips is big on that, but now I don't really see much on there. Oh shit, just deleted the EMA. Yeah. UJ is fairly nice. You have this level with the SMA, this with a 61 fib. And then buys, you have this, which I don't think lines up with much. I stand corrected. 61 fib. That is a beautiful trade as well. So you got the 61 fib there. This one, don't know what that has. I'm guessing that was an old 61 fib. Full port UJ. I mean, go for it. Yeah, go for it. I can delete these. These are old backtesting levels. That's all I have, really. AJ, I don't really see much. You have like that 104. Yeah, it's a little bit messier. NJ also messy. EJ not as bad. I think EJ is like third. GJ, UJ, EJ. AJ is a no-go. NJ is a no-go. They both look a little bit messy. EJ doesn't look too bad, but still, UJ and GJ look much better. Aussie dollar CAD, messy as fuck. Euro CAD doesn't look too bad. Yeah, EuroCAD doesn't look too bad. Let me actually like sort these in tiers. This bad boy, UJ, EJ, and ECAD. I think these three are the ones to potentially have a look at. GCAD, I honestly don't really see much setups on it. Why don't you take GJ on Monday? I didn't take GJ on Monday because I don't have a clue what you're looking at. This, what you're looking at? Is in that 61 fib? No, that. I'm guessing that. Did we have anything with it? Because obviously there's no fib or anything. Alignment with GJ and EJ. We are on GJ. So alignment with EJ. Monday. Alignment with what? UJ. Oh, UJ. Okay. Oh, with that. I mean, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I see it. And EJ, trend line. Okay, I mean, yeah, I see that. Oh, I think I do remember that. I think people were talking about that. I mean, as in that trend line, I think. Yeah, no. Oh, you're talking about like a big buy. Oh shit. Oh yeah, no, it's this, wasn't it? It was this. It was this. It was this. Yeah, that one. Okay, yeah, I mean, I see it. I see it. True. Yeah, no, probably should have took that. I mean, that wasn't the best level, but it was a decent amount of pips. More of an intro level, obviously. Yeah, I guess so. When did it tap? 4 o'clock. Oh, fuck off. It had timing as well. Yeah, and it had timing as well. Little bastard. Okay, yeah. Okay, I missed 3 trades last week. 3 good trades. Remind the community to make sure they factor in closer we get to Christmas and volume and fake out. Yep, yeah. Okay, I'll send out a little mentorship thing this week. I'll send I'll tag everyone in the Forex, because I'm gonna start doing a bit more like tagging everyone and starting some conversations and shit like that. Did it in the crypto chat the other week. So tomorrow I will send out a little thing to ask how everyone's managing December and what they're doing. Are they gonna stop trading? Are they gonna carry on? Are they Yeah, agreed, JJ. I think this might be my last week. We'll see. I mean, it'll be my last proper week, and then as of next week, I will stay more on the sidelines. But if I do see a beautiful trade with alignment, like a tier 1 type trade, I'll give it a go. But like the tier 3s where you just got a level EMA, nothing else, I'll probably fuck those off. Yeah, I'll just stick with the juicy setups with highest probability. Yeah, I mean, that's about it, really. So I'm going to test as soon as the journal's done and I can actually chill for a little bit until JJ decides to go, oh yeah, can you add this to the journal? I will do some back testing on Eurocad, UJ, and EJ. I think I'll add all 3 of them, to be honest, because EC looks like it moves quite a bit, and by the looks of it, it creates some decent levels. You can pass that question on to the right department. I am not at liberty to answer that one. Yeah. Gonna pass every account on a gold bull run. Give it a go. I'm not the customer service manager. No, I'm not. I'm not. Yeah, that's about it, really. I think we're about done. YouTube, I'll fuck off, but Discord, I'll stay in here for a few minutes, just to chat to the guys about some stuff.